If Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, even for just 5 seconds, the effects would begin instantly and without mercy, because everything on the surface, from oceans to buildings, from vehicles to vegetation, would continue moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, creating a catastrophic scene of destruction that would unfold before the planet itself could even begin to slow down. The ground would halt abruptly, but inertia would ensure that everything not firmly anchored to bedrock would continue eastward at extreme velocity, triggering immediate and widespread devastation that would engulf cities, forests, and coastlines alike. The atmosphere itself would erupt into chaos, with swirling clouds of dust, debris, and vapor creating a visual spectacle of devastation unlike anything seen in human history. Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours, and at the equator, this rotation translates into a surface speed of approximately 1,040 miles per hour, a motion that has remained astonishingly stable for billions of years, creating a delicate balance that sustains the climate, oceans, and life itself. However, as one moves toward the poles, this rotational speed gradually decreases, with the surface moving at around 735 miles per hour at 45 degrees latitude, and approaching nearly zero at the poles, demonstrating how the dynamics of Earth's rotation are uneven yet crucial for stability. The precise coordination of these movements maintains the balance of day and night, wind patterns, and ocean currents, and any abrupt disruption would instantly cascade across the entire globe. Because the planet spins as a coherent system, everything moves together. The ground, the oceans, the atmosphere, and every object upon them share the same motion, producing a stable environment that we often take for granted. This rotation is not merely a convenience. It generates critical physical effects, such as the Coriolis effect, which shapes wind patterns and ocean currents, and even contributes to the planet's slight equatorial bulge, influencing global geography in subtle yet profound ways. If the Earth were to stop spinning instantly, the ground beneath our feet would cease motion immediately, but everything else, from the atmosphere to unanchored objects, would continue its eastward momentum, unleashing forces beyond comprehension. Inertia, the principle that objects in motion remain in motion unless acted upon by an external force, ensures that while the surface stops, everything else does not, and within fractions of a second winds at the equator would exceed 1,000 miles per hour, far surpassing the most powerful hurricanes and tornadoes ever recorded. The atmosphere, held to Earth only by gravity and not by any mechanical attachment, would maintain its momentum, generating winds of unprecedented speed that would create extreme friction, rapidly heating structures while tearing apart anything not designed to withstand such forces. Buildings made of steel, concrete, or reinforced materials would collapse instantly, and debris would be hurled eastward at terrifying velocity, making survival impossible for any living organism exposed on the surface. Cars, trains, aircraft, and even large objects would become airborne projectiles, while oceans carrying trillions of kilograms of water would surge across continents, inundating coastal regions first, and eventually moving far inland, reshaping the land and eroding mountains and valleys with overwhelming force. Waves of water would move not in typical tsunami patterns, but as continuous surges, flowing over peaks and carving new channels through soil, rock, and vegetation. Entire ecosystems would be stripped bare, leaving only exposed bedrock and creating a surreal, apocalyptic landscape where nothing recognizable remained. Regions near the equator would experience the most extreme destruction due to the higher rotational speed, while areas closer to the poles, though affected less directly, would still suffer from atmospheric and oceanic chaos. When Earth resumed its rotation after 5 seconds, nothing displaced would return to its original position, leaving the surface devastated, wind patterns unstable, ocean currents disrupted, and heat distribution severely altered. Satellites would largely remain in orbit. The Moon would continue its trajectory, and Earth's magnetic field and tectonic plates would remain largely intact. But human civilization and ecosystems across the planet would collapse beyond repair, leaving a planet temporarily unrecognizable to any previous observer. This catastrophic scenario underscores the vital importance of Earth's rotation, which is not optional but a fundamental requirement for life, climate stability, and the continued functioning of oceans and atmosphere. Even a brief 5-second stop would reveal the harsh truth. Without Earth's continuous spin, our planet would become an inhospitable world, and survival as we know it would be impossible. The visual impact of such an event would be unimaginable, with towering waves, flying debris, collapsing buildings, and endless chaos painting a dramatic and terrifying portrait of a planet in motion, halted abruptly, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.